So this season, I wanted to elevate my hosting setup just a little bit. And that's when I found this Lamtor mini fridge cabinet. Honestly, it has become the centerpiece of my holiday entertaining. First of all, this modern black and gold design is stunning. It instantly adds a touch of elegance as my bar section, all set up right on this wide, spacious countertop. One detail that makes hosting so effortless is the built-in power outlet, where I can plug in my kettle, my coffee maker, even a blender for holiday mocktails. And of course, the spacious mini fridge compartment has been a lifesaver. I keep my sparkling water, my mixers, my sparkling wine, and my snacks stocked for guests. Let's now take a close look at the shelves and storage space. There's plenty of space on these 3 compartments to have everything in place, nice and tidy. And assembly? Surprisingly easy. Everything is clearly labeled and the instructions walk you through step by step. This cabinet has truly elevated the experience. As you can see, it's very stylish, it's functional, and it makes my home feel even more welcoming. I 100% recommend it, and the quality is amazing.